Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest reviews and insights on top-notch products in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of skincare with a focus on a fantastic product that's been making waves. Paula's Choice Resist Super Light Daily Wrinkle Defense SPF 30 Matte Tinted Face Moisturizer. If you're someone with oily skin, finding the perfect sunscreen can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But fear not, because this product might just be your holy grail. Let's delve into why it's been dubbed the best tinted sunscreen for oily skin. First and foremost, let's talk about protection. This daily moisturizer doesn't just shield your skin from harmful UV rays. It goes the extra mile with SPF 30 protection, ensuring your skin stays safe from both UVA and UVB damage. But what sets this product apart is its lightweight formula. Unlike many sunscreens that leave behind a greasy residue, Paula's Choice Resist Super Light Daily Wrinkle Defense offers a matte finish, making it ideal for those with oily or combination skin. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some satisfied customers who've experienced the magic of this product firsthand. With glowing reviews like these, it's clear that Paula's Choice Resist Super Light Daily Wrinkle Defense SPF 30 Matte Tinted Face Moisturizer is a game-changer for those battling oily skin. So, if you're tired of sunscreen that leaves you feeling greasy or looking shiny, it's time to make the switch to Paula's Choice Resist Super Light Daily Wrinkle Defense. Your skin will thank you. That wraps up today's review. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful product critiques. Until next time, stay flawless.